Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we will talk about how to count the number of digits in a number without using any kind of function. That is, if I input a number like 9876, my output will be given 4. Isn't it interesting? So let's see how we can code it. So first of all, let me just write the code for you guys, and then I will describe what is happening in the code. So let me just write the code first. Okay, my code is complete. Let me just run it. Let me write here 9876, number of digits 4. Okay, nice. So now let me just describe what is actually happening in the code. First of all, I take a number input. In the num variable, I have taken a number input. Let's just say 9876. Okay, next I have taken a new variable x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and count variable equal to 0. Let me remind you that count is not a function here, rather it is a variable. Okay, so now I have used a while loop, that is while num greater than x, that is while my number 9876 greater than x, that is 0, this loop will work. Now since my num is 976, that is obviously greater than x, I have go to the next line. In the next line, x equal to num mod 10. This means that the new value of x will be num mod 10. That is, when I divide 9876 by 10, its remainder is 6. That is, the new value of x is 6. In the next line, I have written y equal to num floor division 10. It means that the floor value will be taken as the input of y. That is, when I divide 9876 by 10, its floor value is 987, and this value will be the new value of the y variable. In the next line, I have written num equal to y. What does this line means? This line means that I have inserted the value of y in the variable num. That is, now the new value of num is equal to the value of y, that is 987. Let me just write here, this is the new value of num. And in the next line, I have increased the value of count. It is so that the loop is continuing and the count value is also increasing. That is, here the new value of count is 1. Since it was 0 in the beginning, I have added plus 1, so now the new value of count is 1. Again, the loop is going to work. Now the new num value 987, which is greater than x, that is 0. So let me just get inside again. X num 10 equal to, now here 987 divided by 10, and its remainder is 7. Okay, right, now the x value is 7. In the next line, y equal to num floor division 10, that is, here the value of num is 987 divided by 10, and its floor division is 98. In the next line, I have written num equal to y, that is, the new value of num variable is 98, and again, since I have increased the count with 1, that is 2. Again the loop will work, and now here the num value is 98, which is greater than the value of x, so it will again work. In the next line, y equal to num, here let me just write 97. 98 divided by 10 is, and the next line, the y value equal to num floor division, that is 98 by 10 equal to the floor value is 9. In the next line, num equal to 9, since it is the equal value of y. Also in the next line, we have increased the count again, so that is, now the count is 3. Now what happens is that we go again into the loop. Again, the value of num, that is 9, greater than the value of x, right? since it is, we go again the next. Now here we can see that the remainder in here is 9. Because why? Because 9 divided by 10, when we do it, its remainder is 0, because when we divide 9, when 9 is divided by 10, its remainder is 9. Now in the next line what happens is that when we divide 9 by 10, we get a floor division, and the floor division here is 0. In the next line, the new value of num is 0, and my count increased by 1, that is 4 right now. Again, when the loop will work, now you can see here the num value is 0, but the value of x is 9. That means this condition is not fulfilling. That means the loop won't work, and that is, the loop has ended right here. So when I print the number of digits count, my value will be 4. As you have seen, my total number of value currently is 4. So when I run it, if I give 9876, my value is 4. So in this way you can write the code. Hopefully you like it. The link of this Bangla version of the same video will be given in the description below. That's for today. If you like it, give a like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment down if you have any kind of questions. Thank you.